Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Fresher Scam. And just like the other days, today also I'm back again with a fresher job in recruitment from one of the multinational companies such as Wipro. Yes, you heard it right. It is one of the multinational company and is offering off-campus recruitment 2025 where they are hiring freshers as Python stack developer. So if you're the one who is looking for such kind of job role, then this opportunity is for you. Hold on and watch our video till the end, as not only the additional information, we will also give you the step-by-step guide of the application process for this recruitment announcement. And an add-on bonus is the direct link to apply for it will be in our description box itself. You need not to wonder about where to apply, how to apply, which link, where's the link. All the things will be given in this video, the instructions, the process, everything. So watch our whole video, and if you want such recruitments on a regular basis on the very other day, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and get tuned with our fresher job recruitment announcement on a regular basis. So this job role is for the candidates who are having a degree in BE or BTech, and the job location is Bangalore, India. Candidates need to know that the batches of 2023 to 2024 can apply for it, and you need to apply a SAP or else it will expire out soon and you will miss on this opportunity. To apply for this course, candidates need to have good problem solving skills as well as good analytical skills, have code deployment experience in different environments, experience in query as well as performance optimization in the various fields. This is your opportunity to become an end-to-end digital transformation partner of the Wipro company. It's a great opportunity if you are the one who is looking for an evolution in yourself, and it will help you to evolve their industry itself. Even people with disabilities can also apply for this job recruitment, as they are also welcomed in the recruitment process. And the job role is of Python full stack developer, so you need full knowledge regarding it in this field, and then proceed for the application process. The apply link is given in our description box itself, as said earlier, and it is the link to their official website. And after visiting their official website, you will notice all the job related information has been given, such as the location, the criteria, the job role, responsibilities, as well as the salary and many more. So checking on all of that, if you're interested, click on the link which will be given in the official website itself, and it will give you two stances, either login or register now. If you're the one who already has an account on this official website, you just have to log in with your previous credentials, or if you are the one who has no previous account there and you're new to their official website, then you have to fill in all the details, which will be such as name, phone number, email ID or other such, which they will be asking for. And after either of the process, your application process will be done and it will be submitted to their official website. This was the information regarding this job recruitment announcement by Wipro. After all the process, if you are having any issue or facing any query, then comment down in our comment box section and we'll try to solve your problem ASAP. This is Freshi Ghosh from Fresher Scam. We'll be back again with more such regular job announcement, recruitment processes at your one-stop destination, Fresher Scam. Till then, stay tuned, keep watching us and keep us liked and subscribed, and keep supporting us on a regular basis, because we come on regular notification for your benefit, and your support means us a lot to us. So stay tuned, stay safe, meet you now in the next video.